Honorable Speaker, you are determined to turn me back into the old me. You yourself have said he was heckling. A person who heckles is a heckler. That is what you call him. Senator Cheruyot of Kericho was heckling me. He's a heckler. You yourself have made that decision. I will not allow anyone to bully me in this house. I did not come here because of Cheruyot's graces. I was elected by the people of Nairobi. He's not bigger than anyone in this house.
Senator Sifuna.
If you cannot throw Senator Cheruyot out for the misbehavior, then there are no rules in this house. There are no rules in this house.
What's your point of order, Senator Cherargei?
They must come to an end. Because just a minute. Honorable Speaker, please allow us to speak, Majority Leader. I am on the floor. Why are you heckling us? Why are you heckling us? This is not your house. Leader, this is not your house.
Majority
this is house
Leader.
For all of us.
Majority
and the
Leader.
information that we have comes from the Speaker.
Majority Leader.
You can't heckle us all the time. Can you throw him out? Honorable
Majority
Speaker.
Leader. Order. Order.
Order. No, Honorable Speaker, this is unacceptable.
Order, Senator.
Even if I was asked to be nicer, I will not allow this provocation to continue.
You started heckling. Okay, then let's stop it at there. Let him finish and listen to him in silence. Speaker, yes, Senator Sifuna.
Honorable Speaker, how is it in order for somebody who's younger than me to call himself my elder? We in which society? And in this particular house, Honorable Speaker, there is nothing like seniority coming from how old you are. It is what is in your brain. It is what is in your head. So you can't come here heckling and telling us you are senior to us, Honorable Cheruyot. You are just lucky that I have been directed to be nice. Otherwise, you would have seen the full wrath of Edwin Sifuna. Honorable Speaker, I want these demons who have been sent to tempt me to break the directive by my party leader to depart from me. Leave me alone. Honorable Speaker, therefore, now that I have seen the CS, I will take my seat because it was very critical. But as Senator Wambua has said, the communication to this house
he was on the floor of the house. Can you
please
allow him to finish? Senator,
can you throw this guy out? Is Senator Cheruyot above the law? Is Senator Cheruyot above the law, Honorable Speaker?
Order, Senators.
He can't heckle like this.
Order, Senators.
He can't heckle like this.
Order, Senators. Order. He's addressing his issue now. Can we allow him to finish? Let's listen to the Senator in silence. Senator Sifuna, just conclude.
Honorable Speaker, it is very unfair. If it was Senator Sifuna behaving like this heckler from Kericho, I would have been thrown out by now. I would have been thrown out by now. I would have been thrown out by now. Can you apply the rules equally? No, apply the rules equally. Apply the rules equally. Honorable Speaker, I wanted to say lastly, no, throw him out, Bwana. One is he above the law? He's not above the law. He's not above the law. You are not above the law, Senator Cheruyot. No.
Senator Sifuna. Senator Sifuna.
Let me conclude.
Before you conclude, there's a point of order. Before you conclude, Senator Cheruyot, what is your point of order?
How can somebody who is out of order be given a point of order? He is already out of order. How can he stand up unless the point of order is against himself?
Honorable Senators. Senator Cheruyot, take your seat.
I thought we have senators here.
Take your seat, Senator. Take order, Senators. Order, Senators. Senators. The CS is already here. We are going to go to and proceed to question time. And we will seize, we will not, Senator Cheruyot, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat, Senator. Take your seat. 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 Senator Cheruyot, I will find you grossly out of order. You started heckling. You were heckling against him. You did not behave orderly yourself, Senator Cheruyot. You were not orderly. You started heckling and Senator Cheruyot, you started heckling and I let you. I did not bring you to order. You will now, I will find you grossly out of order. All the time when Senator I was going to give you a point of order so that you can respond. but you were not behaving orderly. So I have to put a stop to this, and we go to question times. That is it, senators. We are starting with the questions. Honorable senators, honorable senators. Senator Cherargei, what's your point of order?
Mr. Speaker, I was requesting understanding order number 1 and standing order 101. You heard Senator Sifuna say heckler. Can it be expunged from the record of the House so that we protect the dignity of the member, Mr. Speaker? That's my indulgence. No, Mr. Speaker, you need to rein on Senator Sifuna. He cannot be heckling everybody. He needs to behave. Yes. Can you kindly, Mr. Speaker?
Senator Sifuna, order.
Mr. Speaker,
order.
Mr.
Order.
Speaker, understanding order number 1, can you kindly expunge the word referring Senator Cherargei as a heckler? That's what we are just requesting. Then the matter rests there.
Honorable senators, I want to bring this matter to an end. Yes, I did. For a matter of fact, I did not refer to Senator Cherargei as a heckler. I said he was heckling in the House. But Senator Sifuna, you did refer to the senator as a heckler, which is out of order. If you could withdraw that and apologize.
Honorable Speaker, you are determined to turn me back into the old me. You yourself have said he was heckling. A person who heckles is a heckler. That is what you call him. Senator Cherargei of Kericho was heckling me. He's a heckler. You yourself have made that decision. I will not allow anyone to bully me in this House. I did not come here because of Cherargei's graces. I was elected by the people of Nairobi. He is not bigger than anyone in this House.
Senator Sifuna.
If you cannot throw Senator Cherargei out for the misbehavior, then there are no rules in this House. There are no rules in this House.
What's your point of order, Senator Cherargei?
Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, you cannot allow, Mr. Speaker, you cannot, Mr. Speaker, you cannot allow the House to be overrun. You are in charge. Mr. Speaker, I'm inviting you to standing order 121 and 122, which says a senator commits an act of gross disorderly conduct if the senator defies a ruling or direction of the Speaker or chairperson of committees. So Senator Sifuna is totally out of order. He must be thrown to face consequence of standing order 121 and 22 so that this House can proceed, Mr. Speaker. He has defied your direction.
Senator,
he must be thrown out.
Senator Sifuna. Senators, let us conclude this. Let us conclude. Let us conclude. Senator Sifuna. Order, senators. Senator Hamida, order. Cherargei, order. Order. Senator Sifuna. The point of order that Senator Cherargei has raised is a valid point of order. As the chair, I did direct you. Even though Senator Cherargei has said he's not even looking for you to withdraw and apologize, but as the chair, I had already given a ruling. So for the sake of sanity and so that we can proceed, just withdraw so that it does not appear that you called Senator Cherargei a heckler. Just withdraw, Senator Sifuna. Senator Sifuna. Senator Sifuna, just withdraw so that we can proceed. Senator Kajwang. Yes, Senator Kajwang, what's your point of order?
Mr. Speaker, there is a reason why we want to position ourselves as the upper house. The CS for Health, and allow me just 1 minute to say this, was a leader of majority in the other house. He was extremely contemptuous to this house. And we cannot conduct ourselves in a manner that affirms the kind of contempt he used to show to this house. Instead of us pointing fingers at ourselves, we should be condemning the CS for keeping us waiting. Mr. Speaker, we have had children sitting in the gallery, children that you have invited, seeing the leader of this house behaving in a manner that is beneath those children. Mr. Speaker, the initial request was to expunge certain statements from the Hansard. And Mr. Speaker, I think that is fair enough. If they can be expunged, let us not push these things of apologies because we are now getting into brittle egos. Mr. Speaker, I urge you to direct this house and to take control of this house so that we can train our guns on the cabinet secretary rather than on ourselves. Please, let this house remain the upper house. Let this house be a house of decorum.
Honorable senators. Honorable senators. Order, senators. Order. I'm not giving you to speak, Oroba. I'm not giving anybody to speak. Order, senators. Oroba, order. We are going to proceed to question time.